Hello, my name is Anupama and I have been practicing Kyokushin Karate for about 2.5 to 3 years now. I learned Karate at the Arachno Dojo in Koramangala. At first, I took up Kyokushin Karate as a form of exercise and nothing more than that. But as I learned more, I realized it is a real art and I continued learning. It has instilled in me a sense of self-confidence and a new strength I never thought possible. Now Kyokushin Karate has become a part of my life. Ush!
Ush, my name is Anandita. I've been practicing karate at Cartman campus for 5 years now. I'm a senior green belt. I like coming for karate class every week. I look forward to it throughout the week. There are lots of benefits from coming to karate class. The most obvious one is that I keep fit. But there are other benefits like I see that it gives me a lot of discipline also. The other big benefit is I see people from a lot of different fields of life here, and it's very inspirational to see a lot of other people come here and practice, and that kind of keeps me going. I hope to keep coming to Cartman campus and keep learning for a very long time. Ush!
Ush! My name is Sonali Banerjee and I work with a consulting firm. I also have 2 kids at home. I started learning Kyokushin Karate about 5 years back at the age of 34. Kyokushin Karate has given me a lot of mental strength and confidence, not only the physical stamina. Ush!
My name is Amit. I'm an industrialist in Bangalore. I started karate about 3 years ago. I've learned a lot of self-discipline. I've gained tremendously on fitness and met a lot of interesting people by learning karate. Ush!
Ush! My name is Subramanian. I am a project manager in IT infrastructure. I've been with Kyokushin Karate from the past 5 years. It has given me great benefits in terms of health and concentration. I hope to continue this way for times to come. Ush!
Ush! Hi, this is Dipesh Thakur. I am working with JP Morgan Chase in technical operations. I am in Kyokushin since April 2008. Kyokushin has helped me in my physical and mental stability. After then,
Ush! I'm N Babu, I'm started doing karate from 7 years, and my sensei is Mr. Ravi Kavelo, and I'm first time black belt, and I'm working hard and I'm more flexible. I'm very strong enough also. I'm started doing bodybuilding from 15 years, and that time I was not having any confidence. I don't know how to fight, how to punch, how to kick, but now I know whatever to do. I know self-defense. I'm very much stronger, and I punch, I kick, I practice every day. And I learned a lot of things from Sensei Ravi Kalo, and I'm training from Cartman. I'm very happy. I'm really feeling more comfortable, and I started doing a lot of things in Cartman karate style. I'm really very proud to be a Kyokushin member, and thank you a lot.
Ush! I'm Tanisha and I'm in the 6th standard and studying in Bethany High School. I'm 12 years old and I've been practicing karate for 2 years now. Karate has made me stronger and a better person, and I've become better in studies. Ush!
Ush! My name is Kulla. I'm 11 years old. I study in Bethany High School in 5th standard. I've been doing karate for 6 years. When I joined karate in a very small age. So I've been improving I've learned a lot from my mistakes. I keep on.
Ush! My name is Ashok. I'm 26 years old. I'm working in LG Mobiles company. As a software engineer, I face day-to-day many stress and very tiring work. But this Kyokushin Karate gives me a refreshing life. Daily morning I do my practice here for 1 hour. That keeps me very refreshed and very energetic for the full day to carry on my work. And I am very happy to practice this for the past 2.5 years. And now by this, I keep both my body and my mental very fit. And as a Kyokushin student, I'm always happy and very fresh. Ush!
Ush! My name is Dinesh Chandak. I'm a software engineer. I've been practicing Kyokushin for last 1.5 years. And every day in the morning when I wake up, I've got a goal. I've got to exercise. I have to practice my Kyokushin form of karate. And each day when I complete this, I feel wonderful. I feel that my day is going to be excellent. That's all.
Bush. I am Murali. I am 39 years old. I am working for HP as a Vice President. I am into Kyokushin Karate for the past 2 years, learning from Ravi, Sensei Ravi. This has given me a lot of confidence, be it on my work or be it on the road. This has helped me being more fit and more agile.